Hey, hello everyone. This is Arafat from Adflix. Welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I will show you how to enable dataLayer in the Shopify store as per Shopify recommendation. You know that Shopify recently updated a few things in checkout and purchase pages. In the previous time, we implement the Shopify dataLayer in the theme as well as order status page. But recently, Shopify updated the checkout page, so they asked to implement the dataLayer in the customer event with custom pixels. So now I will show you how to enable the dataLayer in the customer events in custom pixel. So let's go to the screen. Okay, so this is our Shopify store. This is also a developer store. And now I will go to the Shopify back panel. So this is the Shopify backend. If I click the Shopify settings and go to the checkout, then we will get a new update here. The order status space, this is deprecated. Okay, so order status space is no customized using customer events and app configured in this editor. You can revert to use deprecated additional script until 31st December 2020. That means the order status space will be closed in the 31st December. We can revert it, but after the 31st, I mean the next year, the order status space will be go on. Okay, then we have to implement the dataLayer as well as the script. We have to implement the theme as well as we also implement the customer events. But you know, when we implement any code in the themes, then the themes will be take time to load the pages. Sometimes its loading time is high, and then the user experience will be poor. So that's why Shopify asked to implement the dataLayer in the customer events like sandbox. The customer events is a iframes. Then when I implement the dataLayer in the iframe, there is no make effect in the website loading time. It's also it also increase the data accuracy as well as it also increase the loading time. Okay, so now I will go to the customer events and I will implement the dataLayer in there. Okay, so now I will click the customer events, and this is also previous time I have implemented. Now I delete it and I set up again. Okay, now I will click and I add custom pixel, and we can set up any name in there. So this is Shopify dataLayer. Shopify dataLayer. Okay, now add pixel, and it has a coding area. Okay, so I will just remove the code, and I have a JavaScript code, the dataLayer codes, and the dataLayer code is very important to collect all data from website and send it to the marketing platforms. Okay, so I have implement that dataLayer. I have developed the dataLayer with my JavaScript developers, and this is dataLayer is for all marketing platform like Facebook, GA4, Snapchat, TikTok, everything. And the dataLayer is developed as within a GA4 schema. So you know that when I will send any data in the GA4 as well as Google Ads, then it has a few recommendation. I mean the data types. So we have follow the recommendation and implement the dataLayer. Okay, now I will go to the dataLayer. So this is the dataLayer. I will just copy the dataLayer and just paste it. Okay, and we implement the dataLayer with the help of Google Tag Manager. Okay, so we no need put any GTM code in the Shopify theme panel. We will just implement the GTM code in this area. So we have make an area, so we will just replace the GTM code in there. Okay, we will just copy the GTM code from it. Just copy the GTM code from it and just replace here. Okay, so if you just scroll down a little bit, so our marketing platform is Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat. Okay, so when I will turn on these, just write the Facebook, and then the schema will be developed automatically as for the Facebook recommendation. When we will send any data to Facebook platform, then Facebook has a few recommendation. I mean the data types, who is going to be number, who is going to be strings. Okay, and Pinterest also the recommendation, Snapchat also recommendation. So when we will pass any data to Facebook, and just we will type Facebook, then the Facebook data layer will be automatically developed. Okay, in there. So just save it, and just connect. Okay, connect. So it's connected. If I just customer events, okay, so it's connected. Okay, now we will go to the tag manager. In previous time when I implement the Google tag manager Shopify with Shopify, then we debug from the GTM, but in this case we cannot able to debug. Okay, but our GTM is connected already. It's the main reason our GTM code is loaded into the iframe, so we cannot detect iframe. Okay, in there, so we have a different solution. Just I am trying to click the preview and to make a debug. Okay, so this is our website URL, just website. Okay, so our GTM already connected in here. If you just enable the GTM code in there, so this is our GTM code. Just a minute. Okay, so this is our GTM code JQFF8. So this is the GTM code, but in the tag assistant the GTM is not found in there. That means our GTM and our retailer is loaded in the iframe. That's why it's make the problem. Okay, so if I click this inspect, and just write data layer. Okay, we have to go to the indifferent place and the stop and the legs in legs, and if you use the data layer, then we will get the data layer in here. Okay, so this is the data layer, and but this is very technical, but we have a different solution to identify data layer. You know that but the data layer we can detect from any extension. If I go to the extension data layer checker, so there is no data layer found in here. If I click here, so this is no data layer, but we have already implemented data layer. So how can I find out the data layer? Okay, so we have a extension. We develop the extension with my JavaScript developers. It's developed by Growth Academy. So this is actually the extension data layer checker. It has any settings. We'll just first time it's the turn off and save it. So when we at first we will go the extension, we can, it's also available in the Play Store, app, Shopify, Google Store. Okay, so if I visit any products, so this is a view item events, and we will click the extension and just turn on. Okay, and save it and just refresh it again. Okay, then we will get the view item event in here. Okay, so this is the view item event, view item, event time, event second, and if you will just scroll down little bit, this is e-commerce. I have already said the retailer is developed with the GA4 schema. So this is the GA4 schema, and this is the currency and the value. The value is number, and GA4 has few recommendation. I mean the data types. So we have followed the data type in there. So this is the items, and this is the item ID, name, brand, category, everything is in there. Okay, and we have also configured for Facebook, Snapchat. So the Pinterest detail is in here, as well as the Snapchat also detail in here, as well as the Facebook. Okay, so if you need anything for Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, just collect the data from here. Now I'll go to the add to carts, and I will click the add to carts. So this is the add to carts. Okay, same. Now just click this checkout and go to the purchase. So we'll just press our address, and this is the bogus payment. Okay, just purchase 111. Okay, just play now. Okay, the purchase is confirmed. Now I will go to our extension. So this is the extension, this is purchase, but the purchase begin checkout is 7, checkout contact info submitted. This is also a lot of events in here. You can send as a custom event in the marketing platform. The checkout contact info submitted, checkout address info submitted, add shipping info, add payment info, and then purchase. So this is purchase here, and the all retailer in their customer address info, everything, the e-commerce, the GA4 schema for Facebook, for Pinterest, for Snapchat, everything. See, everything is here. You can use the dataLayer for any marketing platform tracking, or Facebook, GA4, Google Ads, TikTok, Snapchat, everything. So this is very powerful dataLayers, and we have also implement a lot of websites, and we have checked previous time we used for Shopify partner integration, but sometimes it's make wrong, sometimes it's provide wrong data. But when we will implement the dataLayer, is provide a lot of accurate data, and that accuracy will high, and the data mismatch issue is very low. Okay, so we can use the dataLayer, and I always recommend to my clients, as well as I recommend you to implement dataLayer. So if you want to implement dataLayer, you can contact with me. I will provide you the documents. Okay, the full address information you will get in this video description box. Just contact with me. I will share the documents with you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.